Why do you need to understand the legal standards in a defamation investigation, say, at the Namdamun police station in Seoul? Hello, this is law firm Ashin. Defamation isn't just about hurt feelings. It's about whether your case meets the specific criteria set by law. During an investigation, they look at several key factors: public dissemination, identification of the person, whether specific facts were stated, the truthfulness of those facts, and any reasons that might justify the act, making it lawful. You might think you've explained how unfair the situation is, but if your statement isn't framed according to these legal standards, you could end up unintentionally providing details that work against you. It might seem hard to grasp from a common-sense perspective, but investigations are judged based on this legal structure. That's why during a consultation, we first categorize your case. We start by determining if it was a simple expression of opinion, a claim of specific facts, or if there was a public interest motive. We then check the context of how and where it was posted, and whether the other party could be clearly identified. Just a few lines about what happened on the surface isn't enough to determine the right direction. It's like how a doctor needs to run proper tests before deciding on a treatment plan. Often, the criminal process doesn't end there. It can lead to claims for damages, injunctions to delete posts, and further disputes. That's why we don't look at criminal and civil matters separately, but review them as one continuous flow. In handling actual cases, we've designed strategies by considering not just the potential court ruling, but also the feasibility of enforcement and the possibility of future conflicts. Even in our consultations, we don't just take on every case. We explain whether a criminal defense is necessary, if reaching a settlement should be the priority, or if preparing for a civil suit is more important, and then we lay out your options. Since 2009, I've prepared every case with the mindset that the investigation starts tomorrow. The reason is that understanding the legal standards from the very beginning determines the entire outcome. Ultimately, defamation is a matter of standards, not emotions. Law firm Ashin is a place that handles all these aspects together, covering criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law, with these standards at the core. If you need a consultation, please refer to the video description. Subscribing and liking the video helps us provide even more thorough legal advice. Thanks for watching.